In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure ads on your HostPapa SSL certificate. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring that your website's ads are configured correctly and securely. We'll cover everything from accessing your HostPapa dashboard to making sure your site is officially secured with an SSL certificate. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and navigate to the HostPapa dashboard. You can do this by typing in the URL hostpapa.com dashboard into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the login screen. Enter your email and password and click on the login button. This will take you inside your personal HostPapa account where you can manage all your services. Inside your dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on My Services, and from there, select the hosting plan you have set up. This step is crucial as it directs you to the specific settings for your hosting services. With your hosting plan open, look for the SSL certificates section. You should see a button labeled Manage. Click on it, and this will allow you to handle your SSL certificate settings, a pivotal part of securing your site. Next, choose the domain you'd like to install your SSL certificate on, and click the Install SSL button. This part of the process ensures that your domain is secured with HTTPS, an essential upgrade from HTTP that signifies a secure connection. You'll need to wait for the installation process to complete. Once it has, your site's URL should now show HTTPS indicating that your site is secure. Now, move on to your HostPapa cPanel, a control panel designed to help you manage your web hosting. Here, open the Domains or Redirects option. What you'll need to do next is add a redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. This step ensures that anyone trying to access your site through the old unsecured URL is automatically redirected to your new secure URL. If you are using WordPress, there's an additional step that can make life easier. Install the really simple SSL plugin, activate it, and then click on Enable SSL. This popular WordPress tool makes the process of transitioning to HTTPS convenient and hassle-free. After successfully securing your website, the next step is to head over to your Google Ads or Facebook Ads dashboard. Once there, you'll need to update your website URL to include HTTPS/. This is a necessary adjustment to ensure your ads don't encounter any issues due to the protocol change. Before concluding, verify the link preview of your site. It should load without any not secure warnings, offering confidence that everything is set. Once you are satisfied, save any changes and publish your ad, ensuring it's ready to go live with the appropriate security measures in place. And that's it. You have now successfully configured ads on your HostPapa SSL certificate.